The name means wealth water for the immense abundance of healthy water that gushes out perennially in its territory in numerous public and private fountains. Besides impresses the incomparable archaeological and artistic patrimony, legacy of stratification of ancient civilization, including Romans, Goths, Byzantine, Longobardi, Saracens, and Romans, real testimonies of an extraordinary reality. In the medieval age, it was surrounded with walls and towers that were partially destroyed in 1246 by the imperial army of Federico II, following the conquest of Capaccio. During the Aragon dominion, the walls and the towers were built again and widened at the present visible. Among the architectonic monuments, it's possible to visit the Church of Santa Maria del Carmelo, which existed since 1583, the parish church of San Nicola di Bari, 1308, with the fresco dome and numerous marble works and burlaps of 1500. The chapel of Santa Maria del Piano, founded by San Lucido about in 1020, that keeps the plant of a rustic villa of the Roman age, the chapel of San Rocco, which dates back to 1600, and the ducal palace, probably dating back to 12th century, in which, in the northern part, are visible the ruins of a monumental aqueduct that carried the water to the palace. Interesting to visit too the archaeological sites of Madonna del Piano, with the ruins of a Roman villa done visitable inside, which materials recovered are exposed in the museum, and San Pietro, ruins of a Benedictine monastery elevated to Abbey, and the hamlet called San Pietro because it seems that San Pietro in person has spreaded here the Christianity, place in which lived monk Lucido, patron of the town. The excavations recently discovered are still in progress. In San Pietro village there are three important public squares: Vittorio Veneto Square, San Lucido Square, and Indipendenza Square. Vittorio Veneto Square, at the time entitled to Giovanni Nicotera, is the main square, and it's structured in regular shape of a horseshoe. It joined the four great arteries of the urban area: Viale della Vittoria and Corso Garibaldi from the side, Corso Umberto from north, and Via Libertà from south. The resources of the forest of Lauri are fascinating touristic attraction. They are composed of various conifers, pine of Aleppo and marine pine. In Menardi locality, there's an area with the typical Mediterranean vegetation, far 5 kilometers from the south of the urban area that lies near the river Calore, with an exit zone equipped for picnic. Also in the Pinewood Iannace, mixed forest of cedar and pine of Aleppo, it's possible to find picnic-equipped area. Aquara is crossed by the viable river Calore that borders by the Mount Raialunga from the west side of the Mount Cervati at 1130 meters above the sea level. The river is called Calore Lucano to distinguish it from the homonymous river that touches Benevento. In the antiquity it was dedicated to the goddess Teti, mother of the Homeric hero Achille.